Hi there. I'll assume you're watching this video because you're interested in getting started using SiNi Software. It's simple to get up and running, but take your time and fill in your info properly. Trust me, it's in your favor to do this as it's used sensibly by SiNi. For example, the address you fill in is used to generate the invoice, and if your studio pays UK VAT, you'll want to add this as well. You can update your details later on, but do it once and forget it, right? Oh, another thing to think about. If you're signing up as a company or school, consider creating an admin account as well. This way you can add licenses to that account and add all your users. It's really easy to control loads of users this way. One last thing with signing up. SiNi sends you an activation email to complete the process. Look out for it, as it might end up in the junk folder. If for some reason you don't receive this, no problem. Send support an email and we'll manually activate your account. Now you're logged in. If you want to download the tools, head over to the left menu and the download page. From 2.0 on, the installer has combined the plugins and MAXScripts. Nice one. However, in previous versions, you had to download both separately, with the MAXScripts located on the Extra Files page. Download and install following the instructions displayed on your screen. Then fire up 3ds Max. As it's your first time using SiNi, you'll need to log in to use the plugins. To do this, head to the top menu or a toolbar. Click on Decipher, which is the name of the SiNi License Manager. For most users, you'll just need to add your email and password, the same one you log into the website with. And tick the Remember User Info and Auto buttons if you don't want to see Decipher pop up each time you want to use a tool. Unless you're a big studio using internet's security protocols or using our enterprise or education server, you don't need to worry about the server section. Just click on the Login to SiNi Software. Lastly, you'll find the plugins grouped in two locations. The utility plugins, called the Ignite collection, are accessed from the toolbar or top menu. The object plugins are found in the Side Create menu. SiNi MAXScripts are found by clicking the link in the top drop-down menu. Drag them onto your toolbar. That's it for getting started. In my next video, I'll show you all the free stuff available from SiNi, including plugins, MAXScripts, tutorials, 3D models, and more. See you in the next one.